Hey everyone, you're sitting in front of your computer, ready to dive into the world of AI. You've heard about Gemini, Google's latest and greatest language model, and you're curious to know more. But the question that's been nagging at you is, how much does Gemini cost? The hook. Let's be honest, cost is a major factor when considering any new technology. So, in this video, we're going to dive deep into the pricing of Gemini. We'll explore different options, factors that influence the cost, and even provide some tips to help you get the most out of your Gemini investment. What is Gemini? Before we get into the pricing, let's quickly recap what Gemini is. It's a large language model developed by Google, capable of understanding and generating human language. It's been trained on massive amounts of text and code, making it incredibly versatile and powerful. Gemini's pricing models. Gemini offers a variety of pricing models to cater to different needs and budgets. Here's a breakdown of some common options. Pay as you go. This model allows you to pay for Gemini usage on a per-token basis. This is ideal for those who only need occasional access or are unsure of their exact usage requirements. Subscription plans. Gemini also offers subscription plans with fixed monthly fees. These plans often come with additional benefits like increased usage limits or priority support. Enterprise solutions. For large organizations with specific needs, Gemini provides custom enterprise solutions. These solutions are tailored to meet the unique requirements of businesses and can include dedicated infrastructure, specialized support, and more. Factors affecting Gemini's cost. Several factors can influence the cost of using Gemini. These include usage. The more you use Gemini, the higher your costs will be. This is true for both pay-as-you-go and subscription models. Model size. Gemini comes in different sizes, with larger models generally being more expensive. The size you choose will depend on your specific needs and the complexity of the tasks you want to perform. Additional features. If you require additional features like custom training or fine-tuning, these can increase the cost. Region. Pricing may vary depending on your geographic location. Cost comparison with other AI models. To give you a better understanding of Gemini's pricing, let's compare it to some other popular AI models on the market. We'll look at factors like pricing models, performance, and features. Tips for cost-effective Gemini usage. Here are some tips to help you get the most out of Gemini while keeping costs in check. Optimize your prompts. Clear and concise prompts can help Gemini understand your requests better and reduce the number of tokens needed. Use batch processing. If you have multiple tasks, consider batch processing them to save time and potentially reduce costs. Leverage caching. Caching can help you reuse previously generated responses, reducing the need for new calculations. Monitor usage. Keep track of your Gemini usage to identify areas where you can optimize and reduce costs. Conclusion. So, how much does Gemini cost? The answer depends on several factors, including your usage, the model size you choose, and any additional features you require. By understanding the different pricing models and factors that influence cost, you can make an informed decision about whether Gemini is the right AI solution for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.